Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? That's right, we have got something cool from CRKT back on the channel. This is the, 11th one from the Forged by War series that we're going to take a look at. And yeah, as you saw by that opening, not opening, this is the opening, the thumbnail you clicked on. We're going to take a look at the Xan, I think it is. Like Xan? Whatever. The Xan. Alright. Sorry, got to rearrange here. Ooh, nope. But before we get too far into that, let's just get to all the fun stuff that came, in the box itself. Yes, this one does have the outburst system, the opener up. I'll be honest with you, not really a big fan of that one. But I'll get into that here in a moment. There's info about the Forged by War program. Go ahead, hit pause, take a read of that. Or take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single Forged by War series, ones that we have brought to the channel. There is all that information and more sitting in that playlist. And as CRK usually does, they put in info about a blade you might want to buy. Alright, so here she is. Now, part of this may seem to look familiar to some of you guys, because this is a Darren Williams Sororis design, Sergeant Majors. We have brought a bunch of his stuff to the channel before, namely the Rasp, that, is in that Forged by War playlist. And what really reminded me of it was the big oversized pocket clip thing here. And that really groove he likes to do on his blades in here so your finger just rests comfortably. It's just big, it's beefy, and it will get the job done. Now, what I love is CRKT, in conjunction with the designer, is donating, I believe it's 10% of the net profits to the Veterans Charity of Choice. In this case, it's going to be the Purple Heart Homes. I'm going to try to leave a link down below in the description box, and if I forget to, someone leave me a comment and remind me to get off my dead butt and get that done, so you guys can check out that incredible Veterans Charity. Okay, I really love it. There's only one huge drawback to me, and that's the outburst system. I don't like it. I have problems getting it to fire, and once I about stabbed myself in the thumb trying to get it to go. It's a very, very beautifully designed blade. It just feels great in the big old mitten here, and it rides okay in your pocket. But let's get into the fun stuff. Overall, it's got a length of about 8.50 inches. The blade is 3.625, with a cutting edge, and this is what kills me. So all the sources I found say the blade's 3.625, but the cutting edge is 3.75. So I guess you're going this whole really, instead of like from there to there, around it. I don't know how they figured that. I don't care. The blade width is 1.125. Enclosed, it's 4.875. Yeah, 75, sorry. The weight on this guy is a minor 4.90 ounces. A huge part of that is because of the scales, and I'll get there in a moment. Now, it is done in the drop point style. I do like that forward jimping. It's got, as you can see, a plain edge with a flat grind. Now, the steel on this, I know this is going to wrinkle a lot of people. 1.4116 stainless with a bead blast finish. I know. Moving on. Now, what I really truly like is it's got a G10 base with a carbon fiber scale. So that really lightened the load up and gave it something really cool to look at while you're holding her, or, just moving around and doing whatever. Now, it does have the frame lock, and I'll get to the other parts here in a moment. Lanyard hole, and they say it's, with the thumb stud open, and oh yeah, it is made in China. Alright, now, let's talk about that outburst. You can see that little spring-loaded thing right there. What it's designed to do is when you push the thumb stud past the 30-degree angle, it's supposed to rock it open. But see, that's where mine usually gets to. So, I have issues with it. I've always had issues with the outburst. I don't know, if you want to make something spring-loaded, have that little push button like on other blades do, make it pop out. That's just me. Okay? Oh yeah, forgot to say, only one way to carry it, right hand, tip up or tip down. Your choice. So, now with all that fun stuff being done, let's get on to the parts that we usually like to do here on the channel. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, we usually only do 3 cut tests. First one, heavy-duty stock paper, as usual. Let's see if we can get the curly Q. Yeah, I went too far in, but you can see it moving, so. Ah ha ha! There we go. Look at that. Why do I do it that way, guys? Because this is what I've been taught. Anybody can just, oh yeah, it's sharp, it's sharp, oh, it's sharp. But when you drag it across slow, it should produce those little curly cues. And yeah, it did pick up some paper on the blade. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, next up, Paracord. Alright, simple pull test. Not too bad. Didn't have to put that much effort into it. Alright, let's go with the slice test. Oh yeah, right through. And now, our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. I know he's getting to the end of his life. Probably give him a Viking funeral after that last one. But here we go. Wow. Right through, smooth, no issue with that whatsoever. And yeah, I don't see anything left on the blade, so it really cleans stuff up. Okay, now I found it in the 3 usual spots. And I'll be honest with you, this guy is really seriously brand new. I found it on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. It has not been reviewed once on all of those sites. On Amazon, it's going to run you $74.93. CRKT is $89.99, and Blade HQ is the same at $89.99. Now, here's the best part of the video for me, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I want to know, do you think she's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? Excuse me. I really like it, except for the outburst. And, well, okay, the blade steel. I'm not a fan of that 1.4, 116, or whatever it was. Yeah, just not a fan. Yeah, 1.4, 116. I realize that a lot of those are like in Mora blades. I have nothing against Mora. I don't know. It's just a personal preference, okay? So like I said, I want to know what you guys think down below. Now we're at that wonderful part of the video where I'm going to go, hey, for you first-time viewers of the channel, thank you so much for viewing this video. I know there's lots of options out there for you on YouTube, especially with us being in quarantine. And I'm very, very grateful for the time you're giving me today. Hopefully I earn more of it as well as your subscription. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, my question is going to be, why not? Why don't you go ahead and leave me a comment down below as what I can do to earn, your subscription, and we'll see if we can put it to use in a future video and earn that. Now, after you've done that, take a look right down here. You're going to see a big channel logo popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The CRKT Xan, hope I'm saying that right. My quick tabletop look at it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you are having a safe and incredible day today.